I was in the infrastructure team at Robinhood. I was so far away from the customers. I had no idea. I had no empathy for customers because my work was so far away. Now I'm seeing firsthand that like how important it is when Amazon comes and says, "Hey, the customer is your number one priority," right? Like because being customer obsessed. It's hard, but like, hey, everybody has gone through this journey. Whoever's built a successful company has had to go through this.
You mentioned having empathy for the customer, the user, even the business is really critical. So thinking back, you said, "Hey, at Robinhood, I didn't feel like I had a lot of empathy for the user." Tell me more about that. Like, why do you think that was?
Being an infrastructure engineer, you're not really working on the product. Your product is making sure servers can handle the load. So in that sense, most of my customers were other engineers at Robinhood. I had no idea how my work was impacting the business. My performance reviews used to be, hey, I did this, it reduced the cost of infrastructure, or it made our servers faster, or it helped us scale up. I actually could never tell you the work that I did made the life better of an end user or not. Now we use like session recordings to look at how people are interacting with our product. I have a lot more
Yeah.
empathy. I jump on calls with them and somebody gets stuck. Previously, I would get a bug report and I was like, yeah, who cares, right? Like, is this part of my day to day? If they would do something and we would just say, hey, the way you're doing it is wrong. Instead of being like, hey, why did you do it that way? Or maybe our instructions were wrong. Maybe we need to change how we are. Let's understand why did you get confused. I think that empathy you don't learn unless you have more skin in the game.